Hello, Unity students. This video is to inform you about Unity Environmental University's technology requirements. We have these requirements to make sure that you are successful in your distance education courses. Our minimum technology requirements require students to own or have access to a computer that is 5 years old or newer. We also have a minimum internet speed requirement with a download speed of 10 megabytes per second and an upload speed of 2 megabytes per second. We recommend having an internet speed higher than these requirements, but these are the minimums that will help keep you successful. As you can see here, Chromebooks, iPads, and smartphones do not meet the minimum requirement for the distance education program. This is because you will not be able to access all of the software that you need to complete your courses. We expect that students have a basic knowledge of computers, and students assume the responsibility to learn these skills if they are not already possessed. You can review these requirements in more detail on this webpage of the Unity Distance Education website, Technology for Success, which is linked in the description. If you have any questions about technology while you're enrolled at Unity, you can connect with our IT support team at unitysupport@unity.edu. As a part of the technology provided to you as a Unity student, you have access to a Microsoft 365 account through your Unity email. This will be useful throughout your time at Unity, and your student email will be a vital source of information relating to you as a student while you are enrolled. To access your student email, log into your single sign-on portal at my.unity.edu. One of the apps you will see once you're logged in is a blue envelope. This represents Outlook. When you click on the app, you may be asked to sign in again, and that's okay. It should be the same login information that you used for your single sign-on portal. It will then open a web version of Outlook like you see here. If you already use an Outlook account for personal or professional reasons, you may not be able to log into both accounts at the same time. You can get around this by using different browsers. For example, if you usually use Firefox, you might use Google Chrome to log in to your Unity student account instead. From this email page, you can access the other Microsoft products that you have access to, such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. You can see these applications in the App Launcher, as you can see here, or on the left-hand menu. If you would like to download the desktop version of Microsoft, you can do that by opening the App Launcher and selecting the Microsoft 365 link. This will open a new tab with an Install Apps drop-down in the right-hand corner. Thank you for watching, and if you have any additional questions, please reach out to your advisor.